Today I'm going to teach you how to make a flaxseed egg. You will need a tablespoon, a spoon for mixing, and a small bowl, along with some flaxseed meal and warm water. So the first thing you're going to do is measure out 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. This will equal 1 egg. Next, you will add 3 tablespoons of warm water. Finally, you will mix this together a little bit and then let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it has sat for 5 to 10 minutes, it should be thick and goopy, almost like the texture of an egg white.